In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to avoid tolls on Waze with the most updated information for 25. If you're looking to save some cash on your next road trip or simply want to steer clear of those pesky tolls, you're in the right place. Let's dive right into it, and I'll guide you through the process of setting this up on your iPhone or Android device. First things first, make sure you have the Waze app installed on your smartphone. Open the app by tapping on the Waze icon. Once you're in, you'll likely see the familiar map interface and any recent destinations you might have searched before. To start making changes to your navigation preferences, we need to access the settings. Look for the hamburger icon. This is usually 3 horizontal lines and is your gateway to the options. Tap on this icon. Once you've opened the menu, you'll want to find the settings option. This is where you'll be able to customize different aspects of your Waze experience and where we'll be making the all-important change to avoid tolls. Tap on Settings and it will open up a new page with a variety of choices. Now focus on finding the navigation option. This is specifically about how Waze calculates your routes. Tap on Navigation to proceed. In the navigation settings, you'll see several toggles designed to adjust different features of your routing. Here, we're looking for the toggle labeled Avoid Toll Roads. This is what you need to turn on to ensure that Waze will do its best to route you away from toll roads whenever it's possible. Tap on the toggle to switch it on. When it's enabled, you'll probably see it change color or move to indicate that it's active. Now that you've set Waze to avoid toll roads, you can go back to the main screen. It's time to enter your destination. As you input where you want to go, Waze will automatically calculate routes that steer clear of tolls. Keep in mind, while Waze will attempt to avoid toll roads as much as possible, it may not be able to completely eliminate them in every situation, depending on your location and available roads. And there you have it. With these changes, you've successfully set up Waze to avoid toll roads, helping you potentially save money and drive stress-free. Enjoy your toll-free travels, and remember to check back for more updates and tips. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful navigation tips. Safe travels!